The stress caused by a lack of motivation can be highly unpleasant. You know you are capable of doing a better job, yet your energy and enthusiasm just isn't there. And no matter how much you try to focus, something else always gets in the way of your goal achievement. Where did your motivation go? You'll already have noticed that you can't talk yourself into being more motivated. It just doesn't work, and neither does just focus on the money. And that's because true motivation doesn't come from surface thoughts, it comes from deep in the unconscious mind. And that's why using hypnosis for motivation can be so effective. Let's face it, you are only truly motivated when you feel motivated. Any amount of thinking cannot replace that deep down knowledge that you just have to get going. The Motivation and Energy at Work self-hypnosis session will create that deep down drive to succeed, so that without even thinking about it, you will simply feel more motivated. Use the session for a few days and the first thing you will notice is you are getting more done, feeling like working and getting much greater satisfaction from your working life. Download the Motivation and Energy at Work hypnosis session now, and start enjoying your work again. You can listen on your computer or device or via our free app which you can access when you have completed your purchase. Please click the link below this video to find out more.